Hey friends, it has been over 10 years since I first started this channel, and finally we have hit 10,000 subscribers. And as promised in a video about 3 years back, when we hit 10,000 subscribers, I am going to be giving away this pumpkin that I made. So the time has come. I'm going to be giving this away. Thank you to everybody who entered the contest to win this. That's all the people that commented, "Give me this pumpkin," on that video. And so I'm going to be drawing your name out of a pumpkin, and the winner I'm going to mail this pumpkin to. So many pumpkins. Anyway, that being said, if you are not the winner, but you still want one of these guys, just follow the video linked below and you'll learn how you can build your own. Or, be sure to subscribe to the channel because I'll have more contests coming up in the future and you can win other fun stuff. But for right now, let's give away this pumpkin. So here we go. These are the names of all of the people that entered the contest, and I will blindly draw one out. And before I look at this name and read it, if you are the winner, please reach out to me either by social media or right here on YouTube, or you can email me and let me know. You've got 2 weeks to claim this pumpkin, and after 2 weeks, if you don't claim it, it's going to go to another name, which I'll draw out of the pumpkin. So here we go. The winner is MS7000. MS7000. I don't know if this will focus on there, but hey, there we go. If you are MS7000, hit me up and let me know how I can send you the pumpkin. Congratulations. See you next time.